Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, I welcome you all with the Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And today we are going to discuss the chapter 6 of class 6th, major land reforms of earth. Dear students, first of all we should know what's landform. Going to the definition, a landform is a natural or artificial feature of the solid surface of the earth. And we have shown the landform shown in the figure. There is landform figure number 6.1. There have been shown landforms are shown there. You will notice there that the surface of the earth is not same at everywhere. There's not same. The surface of the earth is not same everywhere. There are varieties of landforms on the earth. Some may be rugged and some may be flat. These landforms are a result of two processes. कैसे बनते हैं landforms? These are formed because of two processes. एंड आप ये जानकर हैरान होंगे जिस ज़मीन पर हम खड़े हैं, जहाँ पर हम मूव कर रहे हैं, वो क्या that very earth is moving slowly and steadily. That's moving slowly and steadily, and continuous movement takes place there. The earth where we are is staying, it's continuing moving, and a continuous movement is taking place. And this internal process, it leads to the upliftment and sinking of the earth's surface at various places. समझे आपको ब्रो? यथ ज़मीनस पे बिहित हाँ, it is moving continuously. यह वार move करा, and इनकी movement सच वारिया landforms ते बना, and it's a continuous movement and अम सच अक वारिया इमी सच इस internal process अम सच upliftment ते गसा या अम सच sinking of earth's surface ते गसा वारिया जाइन मन. अच्छा, but the second and external process, it's a continuous wearing down and the rebuilding of land surface. It's an external process. इससे क्या होता है कि ऐसे rebuilding होती है, या इससे क्या होती है कि अर्थ सरफेस जब क्या होता है, जब सैलाब आते हैं, या जब हॉट ब्लोइंग विंड्स आते हैं, जब आइस की वजह से या रनिंग वाटर की वजह से या विंड की वजह से क्या होता है कि टू प्रोसेस टेक्स प्लेस. एक होती है erosion के wearing away of the earth's surface, that is called erosion, soil erosion, and the surface below is being leveled by the process of erosion, and next process takes place, that is the rebuild of the earth's surface, and that very process is called deposition. The two processes are there. First process is wearing away of the earth's surface, that's we called an erosion, and the second process rebuild of earth's surface by the process, that very process is called, we call that very process is deposition. And how these processes occur? These processes are carried out by the running water, then running water, air and ice and wind. So broadly, if we broadly say, we can group different landforms depending on elevation and slope. Depending on elevation and slope, there are three major landforms. That's mountains, plains, and plains. And inshallah, in the next video lecture, we will try to discuss what's mountain, what's plains, and what's plains. ठीक है ना बच्चों? Until then, goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.